Hey guys, welcome back to another video of SOM Survey Instruments. Today we are going to unbox the FJD Trion P2 LiDAR SLAM scanner. So we're going to see exactly what's inside of the box and why it matters in the field. Okay, so first up we have the heavy duty hard case. Then if you open it up, you'll see your certification, and in here is also your packing list as well as your warranty card. Then they've added a set of ground control points or GCPs, which you can use to collect with the scanner, especially in RTK. Then we have the main sensor of the P2 with its new internal camera system, making the SLAM even more accurate. Then we have our two battery handles, which altogether provides about 4 hours of battery life. Then we have our pre-configured RTK and camera colorization assembly. So we have our RTK module at top, and then we have in this version the Insta360 X5 camera for colorization, and it comes pre-assembled because it is already pre-calibrated. So we do not recommend that you disassemble this system. For the colorization camera, you have two options in the Insta360 X5 like we have here, or you can choose a more cost-effective version of the Insta360 X3. Then we have the base, which connects to the bottom of the battery handles and which you will also use to collect any points like these GCP targets. For accessories, there's two cables. One is used for charging and the other one is used for if you would like to connect the scanner to your computer and download the data that way. It also comes with its power supply in order to charge the device, as well as with a few adapters depending on which region you are in. Then we have the mounting bracket, which comes onto the back of the scanner so that you can mount the scanner on different accessories like a longer pole. Next we have our controller or phone bracket that also gets attached to the main sensor head so that you can monitor your live scan. There's also an Allen key tool that gets used throughout the device, but especially on the bracket. And lastly, we have our lens cloth in order to clean the sensor when necessary. And that's the full kit. So if you would like some hands-on time on the FJD Trion P2 scanner, make sure to book a demo or you can rent it on our website.